Okay, if we look at this example here, again, we want to state if it's continuous or discontinuous. If there is a discontinuous state, removable discontinuity, or non-removable discontinuity, and state where the discontinuity is at if there is one. Okay, so if we look at A, okay, we're looking at the function here, 1 over x. So it's kind of hard to see here, but we've got this function over here and this function over here. This is the reciprocal function. Okay, and then we have a vertical asymptote right here. So there's obviously a discontinuity. There's a break in this graph at x equals 0, and this would be a non-removable, because it's more than just removing a point to make this discontinuity. Okay. Part B. So now we're looking at this function. Okay. And it looks like a linear function, except there's a hole right there. So again, this would be discontinuous at x equals 1, and this one would be removable. Okay. We look at C down here, we're looking at this function. It's a piecewise function, but you can see here, this function is continuous. There's no breaks. So this would just be continuous. I could spell. Okay. And D, the sine function here. Well, we should know that the sine function is also continuous. There's no breaks.